स्वच्छ भारत वो हमारा। स्वच्छ भारत वो हमारा। स्वच्छ भारत
स्वच्छ भारत है अपना सपना, स्वच्छता की ओर कदम बढ़ाना।
Eco-friendly also, so it promotes both cleanliness and greenery also. And it is a very simple technique. It can be practiced easily in homes as well as in schools, because it does not require an elaborate technological setup. So composting is, first of all, what we need to know about composting is this, that it is only applicable to organic waste. Now what is organic waste? Any waste material that is produced from living organisms, that is from plant or animals, is organic waste. So you know, the dry leaves, the food that you eat, and the spoiled food, the banana peels, the vegetable peels, the eggshells, all these are organic waste. Alright. So there are two ways of managing organic waste. One is what we usually do, we just throw them in the dustbin, and then it gets decomposed with all the other normal waste in the landfills. If we use this strategy for waste management, the organic waste can produce a deadly gas called methane, which pollutes the environment. But composting is an eco-friendly method of decomposing organic waste, and when we decompose organic waste in a compost pit, it produces humus, which is a natural fertilizer for plants. So we can basically use natural fertilizers for plants by decomposing organic waste such as fruit peels, vegetable peels, eggshells, right? So you all know that this waste is routinely produced in our school. You all eat bananas, right? You bring your tiffin, then some food is left and you have to throw it away. Similarly, the food that you buy here, for that you get cardboard plates, forks, knives, and paper cups. We all use this in school very often, right? For example, on Teachers' Day, you all brought cake, so you all gave us, in cardboard plates. You gave us cake on cardboard plates, and there was cold drink in paper cups. All this is organic waste, and it can be decomposed in a compost pit. So what happens in a compost pit? I will tell you the process. Basically, we need to make a bin according to the amount of waste we are producing in the school, the amount of organic waste we are producing in the school. Now in organic waste, we need to keep in mind there are two components, brown component and green component. Typically, organic waste is of